In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Robux with Cash App. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So buying Robux using Cash App involves a few steps since Cash App isn't directly integrated with the Roblox payment system. However, you can use Cash App to buy a gift card or transfer funds to another platform that Roblox accepts. So the first step is to ensure your Cash App is set up. Now, purchase a gift card. So Roblox accepts gift cards from several retailers that you can buy using Cash App. So first visit a retailer that sells Roblox gift cards and accepts Cash App as a payment method. Examples include Walmart, Target, or online platforms like Amazon. Now buy the gift card. Now receive the code. So after purchasing, you'll receive a code either on the physical card or via email. Step 3 is to redeem the gift card on Roblox. So log in into Roblox. So go to the Roblox website and log into your account. Navigate to the gift card redemption. So go to the Roblox gift card redemption page. Enter the code from your gift card and click redeem. So once redeemed, you can convert the credit to Robux from the same page. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.